my season. Yeah, I'm a problem. How we gon' solve it? Yes, head is a profit. Gotta make a profit. It's cause I'm not coming. On the winning schemes, gotta know just what I mean. Young prodigy, I just wanna be. I wanna succeed as much as I can breathe, as far as I can see. Tell me, God, is this a dream? God, is this a dream? Yeah, I'm coming to my senses.
Hey, do you wanna come round now? Say around 5:30. Stay until the morning, then I carry on and live my hollow life. Did you really take my soul? Came and then you left a hole. Shot me in the late night, bleeding out in plain sight, running with the heart you stole. You got your desires, always starting fires. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep, I'm hiding Michael Myers. Building an empire, you were rising higher. Standing tall, but you will fall, cause we all hear the choir. Beautiful love, dragging me under the table. Hell in her eyes, she wants to put me in a hole. Beautiful liar, holding me, I'm a neighbor. Bleeding me dry, she wants to devour my soul.
Fuck. Yeah. Fourth, a little bit. Needed a little more.
I'm doing it fourth big time.
Fourth big time, yeah. That's what I'm thinking this time.
It's pretty good. Give her the boot. Go deep. There's a lot of landing out there.
You want to see balls?
That was a fun one there. Hard to get the enough like run up for me. I'm a little fucking squirrely, you know.
Yeah, you gotta step out of that shit for the last one. He does fucking him hard on the face. He faced the fuck out of it.
Fuck.
Hot too. He's feeding off of you. Every time you hit it faster, he comes a little faster.
Wait, you're coming in hot. That was...
It's a lot of fourth to go deep. You fucking got it.
I had a little leg swag going. I like this one a lot. I stepped out a little bit more to the right on that last one for a little fucking smoother line. Yeah, that'd be sick. get fucking bigger, boys.
He's bogging on the face because he's shifting up so many gears. He's just got to stay in it harder. If you're going to do it in fourth, you got to shift fourth like up there on the hill. So you're in the revs when you're in fourth. Try to keep it in. Alright. And move over out of that main line. Go one way or the other, just the tire width. That main line's getting pretty deep.
Shifting like too early into the low part of it.
You're bogging hard on the face, so you either got to be revved out in third or fucking get more high, get into fourth earlier so you can get into the revs.
Buffalo soldier in the heart of America, stolen from Africa.
In order to go any bigger, you gotta grab fifth somewhere. That's the only way. That was fourth it. That was it.
The only way I see around is you gotta do like up a loop on that thing and like siding your way across.
Yeah, it is. What? He what?
Because you got it on speed.
What the hell is even that?
I don't like the starting gear.
Yeah, dude. We found it the same fucking way. Do you remember that?
Huh?
Do you remember how we found it? The same exact way we just did it again.
Yeah.
I came back and hit that one, and then we found that one. You want me to follow you through this one more time?
We can,
Well,
yeah, as long as you don't want to try cruise. I'm doing it in third, yeah?
Yeah.
cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest. I go launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the line and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watch it, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stop it. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make 'em nauseous. Honest, man, I stop this. Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watching. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, better back, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the back, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back, so we back, no we back. Think I'm black, up and back, all I'm black, not a step, no a jab in the crap. We're advanced, I'm the best, got a plan better than most plans. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. It's a time that I'm right, yeah. Yeah, I've been in and out the studio like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows, how it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go, all these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me?